So, maaring yung iba sa inyo nagtatanong na, Sir, hindi nyo ba sasagutin yung allegations against you? Well, the allegations are general yung sinasabing may ghost sa Taguig. And we've checked, remember the national projects are from the national government. Theoretically, dapat walang kilalaman ang senador, congressman dyan. But of course, nakita natin dyan sa Blue Ribbon Committee na may talagang conspiracy o nakikialam. Having said that, I do as a habit check as much as I can projects. And sa Taguig, iba-ibang grupo nag-check dyan. Barangay, city, but because nangyari nga itong scandal na to, ang pagkaalam ko, maraming national government officials na ang nag-check dyan. Especially in Metro Manila, kasi nga, for example, the Diskaya Group, di ba? Even sa Pasig, kung nasan ang unang nag-criticize sa kanila na si Mayor Vico, even sa Pasig ay may project sila. Even sa Baguio, where you have Mayor Magalong who's outspoken against corruption, has done much for our country in fighting corruption, meron din doon. So all over the country. That's why, nung unang lumabas to, sinabi ko dapat imbestigahan itong lahat. So in our preliminary investigations, wala kaming nakitang ghost. Yung mga nakita namin may problema, we reported it earlier. That's why no less than the top DPWH officials from the regional to the national level have inspected some of the projects na may problema at hindi kami nagkulang na magsabing eto, mali ang pagkagawa, eto, bakit ganito, eto, ang tagal-tagal na. Kasi nga nadadaanan namin dahil tagarong kami, umiikot kami doon.